Hot Toys on a statue channel? Welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris. I'm the Batman statue collector, and today I want to actually focus on Hot Toys. Hot Toys is a company that we focus on from time to time here on the channel, but a lot of you have reached out to me and said, hey Chris, would you give us more Hot Toys content here on the channel? We do collect 1/6 scale figures, and we would like to hear your thoughts and opinions on some of them. So yes, from time to time, I'm still primarily going to be a statue channel, but from time to time I will talk about certain pieces from Hot Toys, and these are actually just up for pre-order right now at Sideshow Collectibles. These are a Marvel Comics Iron Man and also War Machine, and I thought they were actually really quite interesting because they do have some LED light up features, and I just thought that they looked really cool, and I believe they are die cast, which is even cooler. I'm also going to throw in a Doctor Strange piece here because I really think you're going to enjoy seeing that because it's just going to blow your mind if you haven't seen it already. So anyway, I just wanted to share my thoughts and opinions, kind of a hit or miss today, just to say, hey, here's some new things from Hot Toys, check them out. Alright guys, so let's dive right into these, and the first one up is going to be the War Machine. And again, these are from DC Comics. These are not the movie versions, and again, usually when we look at Hot Toys things, usually I'm thinking movie pieces, because obviously the actors and actresses' likeness are just absolutely incredible on Hot Toys 1/6 scale figures, but these are from the comics, and so this is something that I'm not used to seeing from them, but I am intrigued. I think it looks really quite impressive. Now, one thing I mentioned is that these are die cast, which is really cool. So they're going to be very posable, as you can see from the photos, but at the same time they're going to be these, you know, a little heftier, a little weightier, but very cool. And if you are a fan of, you know, War Machine or just Marvel in general, and you're usually you're used to collecting the movie pieces, this might be something that you want to pick up just to have something different in your collection, which I think is really cool as well. So again, this is War Machine. It does have an LED light up reactor, which is really cool. You can see from the images there, not only is he, you know, incredibly posable, but also you can see that he's got the light up effect, and it just looks really cool. And again, it is more, you know, quote unquote cartoony to me. Obviously with the portrait, the helmet, you know, it's not that movie version that you're used to seeing for sure, but it still looks really cool in my opinion. Now this one does retail for $375 USD. He is up for pre-order as we speak. I have the links down below if you're interested. But it's cool, and it looks like it's going to be a release date of about a year from now, maybe a little bit less. So, you know, it's amazing how quickly they're able to get these things out, much quicker than statues in most cases. Obviously, again, there's lots of different accessories, lots of different things. I mean, you know, War Machine is this big armored guy, and so it's really cool to be able to see all of this armor on him and to be able to change it out and pose him in different ways. And again, the fact that he's die cast is also very cool to me. But I mean, look at that. It's very cool. He's got the, you know, two different tones of gray. He's got a darker gray on his shoulder, more of a, you know, shiny gray on the front, you know, almost like a chrome. It looks really cool. And then of course, you know, knowing Hot Toys, if you're a Hot Toys collector, you guys know that you usually get a stand and you get lots of different accessories, hand swap outs and things like that. So hopefully that gives you an idea of exactly what you're going to get. Now, moving on to the second one I want to talk about, this of course is Iron Man, and this is the stealth suit. So some of you might not be as familiar with this as, you know, the more traditional suit, but this thing is cool. So if you are an Iron Man collector and mostly have these red Iron Man suits, this might be one that you want to pick up because it's very blue. It's almost kind of like a Mr. Freeze, you know, that's what I think of course, these blue color scheme. But you see the darker blue, the lighter blue on the shoulders. And again, this is die cast, and it's very cool. Now, he is the exact same price point, $375 USD for him as well. And he does also have that same LED light up feature. So those are really cool with that Arc Reactor. You can see it's got red on it. He just looks cool. And he also, this one does, unlike the War Machine, this one does come with two portraits. So you can have this one right here, which looks really good, and then you have that more traditional one as well. So that's kind of that classic comic book look. Again, there's that classic, very cool. And again, you have the reds, you have the blues, you also have some gray tones on the chest, and you can tell he is incredibly posable. Obviously, we'll have multiple hands, and again, there's that second portrait right there. Actually, I think I prefer that one. I think it looks really cool. And again, lots of detail here, lots of posability, which is exactly what you want with your Hot Toys figures. Again, these are 6 scale, And again, fully posable and awesome. I mean, just look at that. Look how well it shines. I mean, it just reflects the light so beautifully. And again, you're going to get a lot of different accessories with this one. Very, very cool to see what you're all going to get. Again, the 2 different portraits and all of those hand swap outs, and of course that LED light up feature. And then boom, right here you see them all together. It's also got the classic Iron Man as well, more of that traditional red and yellow that everybody's used to. So all of those are available right now at Sideshow, and again, just looks cool. I love the fact that it lights up. Really just an awesome piece from Hot Toys. And again, I wish I could be a collector as well, because I just don't have the space. But anyway, this is another one I want to briefly touch on, guys, because I just was so impressed with this one. This one is from Doctor Strange. This, of course, is the new movie. It's coming out to Disney Plus here real soon, which I'm really excited about, because I have not seen this one yet. But look at this thing. This thing is insane. And this is $385 for this one. $385. So just $10 more than the others that I just showed you. And actually, I feel like you get a lot more with this one, because it's just, grotesque. It's sickening. And of course, this is Dead Strange. This is the dead version of Doctor Strange. It looks incredible. And of course, you can take all that stuff off if you want. But the portrait here, the portrait is what I'm really impressed with. And again, it's just mangled. It's scary looking. I mean, look at this. This is Benedict Cumberbatch right here. Just very, very cool. And I cannot wait to see this movie. I can't believe I haven't seen it yet. But anyway, I love it. And I had to share it with you guys. Again, you get a lot of different things with it, of course, a lot of different posability as well. So anyway, I just had to share it with you because I thought maybe this would be one that you missed as well. So from top to bottom, 3 great Marvel pieces from Hot Toys. Let me know in the comments which one you have or are picking up, because I think they're all 3 really quite spectacular. So there you have it. As always, I'm going to turn it back over to you. What do you guys think about these 2 or 3 pieces from Hot Toys? I think, again, they're all really cool. And are you a Hot Toys collector? Are you somebody that are interested in picking these up? If you are, they are up for pre-order right now. I will put the link down below in the description. And again, that's from Sideshow Collectibles, our good friends over there. So anyway, it's just fun to talk about some of these because, again, we're really focused on statues. And again, that's where my passion is. But it's also really cool to see all of the amazing work, not only in terms of portrait, but also sculpt and just accessories and everything else cool that you get from Hot Toys. And that's just a thing I can't go down. I can't collect everything. So I do want to feature them here. I do want to at least share some of these amazing products coming out from Hot Toys with you guys. So anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, click that notification bell. And if you do want to take it one step further, consider hitting the join button down below for early access. You can do the same thing on our Patreon page. All those links are down below. Anyway, thank you guys so very much. I cannot thank you enough for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.